Imagine stepping into a world where elegance meets cutting-edge technology, where luxury isn't just a statement, it's a lifestyle. Welcome to the 2025 Genesis G90, a car that's not just designed to take you places, but to make every journey extraordinary. When Genesis first introduced the G90, it set a high bar for luxury sedans around the globe. But the 2025 model isn't just an upgrade, it's a bold step into the future. So what makes the 2025 Genesis G90 so special? And why is it capturing attention from car enthusiasts worldwide? Let's dive into every exciting feature of this luxurious masterpiece. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Genesis G90 is its striking appearance. This sedan demands attention with its sleek lines and confident stance. At the front, there's the iconic Genesis crest grille that's even bigger and bolder, combined with elegantly slim LED headlights that seem to stare into the future. As you move along the side, you'll appreciate the smooth flowing lines that give the car its graceful appearance. It looks equally beautiful, whether parked in front of a five-star hotel or cruising down city streets. And at the back, the design stays clean and sharp, with full-width LED taillights that perfectly match the sophisticated front end. But stepping inside the G90 is where you truly experience the magic. This car isn't just designed for looks, it's crafted for comfort. Slide into the soft premium leather seats, and you'll immediately feel embraced by luxury. These seats aren't just comfortable, they adjust automatically to support your posture perfectly, no matter how long your journey. Every detail inside the G90 is thoughtful and luxurious. The interior features authentic wood finishes, brushed aluminum accents, and subtle ambient lighting that creates an inviting atmosphere. Genesis designed this cabin not only for the driver but also for passengers, providing equal comfort for everyone. There's plenty of space, even for taller passengers, so each ride feels like relaxing in your private sanctuary. The G90 also shines when it comes to technology. Right in front of you sits a high-resolution digital dashboard that's clear and customizable. Beside it, the massive touchscreen infotainment system responds quickly and intuitively. Whether it's navigation, music streaming, or climate control, everything is literally at your fingertips. But Genesis didn't stop there. The 2025 G90 features a state-of-the-art augmented reality navigation system that projects turn-by-turn directions right onto your windshield. Imagine never missing a turn again because the directions appear naturally in front of you, blending seamlessly with the real world. Moreover, Genesis equipped the G90 with an impressive sound system. Crystal clear audio fills every corner of the cabin through the premium Lexicon surround sound system. It's like having a private concert hall right in your car. Luxury is nothing without safety, and Genesis takes your protection seriously. The 2025 G90 is equipped with the latest driver assistance technology, keeping you safe and stress-free on the road. Smart sensors and cameras are placed around the car, allowing features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking to work flawlessly. There's even an advanced system that can safely maneuver the car into tight parking spaces completely automatically, removing the stress of parking entirely. One standout safety feature is the advanced collision avoidance system, which doesn't just detect vehicles and pedestrians, but also cyclists and obstacles in low-light conditions, ensuring peace of mind during every drive. Under the hood, the Genesis G90 packs powerful yet refined performance. It comes standard with a smooth turbocharged engine that's powerful enough to move the sedan effortlessly, yet quiet enough to maintain that peaceful, luxurious experience. For those seeking even more power, Genesis offers an optional electric variant, a fully electric powertrain that's incredibly silent, swift, and delivers instantaneous torque. This electric version also promises impressive range, allowing for long journeys without frequent recharges, aligning with Genesis's vision of sustainable luxury. The ride itself feels like gliding over clouds, thanks to its adaptive air suspension system. Whether you're cruising along highways or navigating busy city streets, the G90 adapts to road conditions, offering exceptional comfort and stability. Luxury sedan buyers typically consider established rivals like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, or Audi A8. But the 2025 Genesis G90 stands out by offering equally impressive luxury, technology, and performance at a significantly more attractive price point. Genesis has gained a reputation for providing premium quality and exceptional value, often including extensive warranties, complimentary service, and customer-focused benefits that competitors charge extra for. This approach has made Genesis a favorite among savvy luxury car buyers looking for unmatched value without compromising on elegance or technology. While other luxury sedans easily push into six-figure territory, the Genesis G90 delivers an exceptional luxury experience starting at around $90,000. Depending on the variant and packages selected, this pricing makes it highly competitive, giving buyers luxury, prestige, and advanced tech without excessive premiums. The 2025 Genesis G90 is expected to reach dealerships in early 2025, with high anticipation from customers eager to experience this new benchmark in luxury. The 2025 Genesis G90 isn't just another luxury sedan, it's an impressive statement of what Genesis represents: innovation, elegance, and comfort, wrapped into a single, beautiful package. In a world filled with luxury vehicles, the G90 manages to distinguish itself through genuine craftsmanship, thoughtful technology, and value that few rivals can match. If you're someone who appreciates the finer things but also values practicality, comfort, and advanced technology, the 2025 Genesis G90 might just be the perfect car for you. Because luxury isn't about showing off, it's about feeling exceptional. And the Genesis G90 delivers exactly that, redefining luxury in a way that makes every journey a memorable experience. So ask yourself, are you ready to embrace the future of luxury? The Genesis G90 awaits you.